Good day, everyone. My name is Marceluño from BED Gen Ed 3A, and I am a student here at Nabotas Polytechnic College. Today, I will present my critical reflection on our educational research entitled Exploring the Digital Divide, Access to Educational Technology in Nabotas Polytechnic College, Bachelor of Elementary Education Program. The purpose of this research is to understand the extent of access to educational technology among our students and how this access or lack thereof affects their academic performance. This study is crucial because it sheds light on the disparities in access to educational tools, which are vital for educational equity and improving learning outcomes. The research process involved conducting surveys and interviews with 80 students enrolled in the Bachelor of Elementary Education program at the Navotas Polytechnic College. This mixed method approach allowed us to gather both quantitative and qualitative data on students' access to educational technology. One significant challenge we face as researchers was the varying levels of internet access among students, which sometimes made data collection difficult. However, this challenge also underscored the importance of our research. Our key findings reveal that while there is generally positive access to educational technology among students, significant barriers still exist. For example, students from lower socioeconomic backgrounds and those living in rural areas face more challenges in accessing these resources. These findings are significant as they highlight the role of socioeconomic status and geographic location in shaping students' access to educational technology, and consequently, their academic performance. Conducting this research has been highly enlightening experience. I have learned a great deal about the digital divide and its profound impact on education. This research has changed my perspective, making me more aware of the urgent need for targeted interventions to be able to address these disparities. It has reinforced my belief in the importance of equitable access to educational resources for all students. In conclusion, this research underscores the critical need for effective policies and programs to bridge the digital divide. The findings reveal that socioeconomic and geographic disparities must be addressed to ensure equitable access to educational technology. These disparities hinder students' ability to fully benefit from educational opportunities, highlighting the urgent need for targeted interventions. To achieve equitable access, it is essential to implement and support policies that specifically address these disparities. Programs aimed at providing resources and support to underserved communities can play a significant role in closing the gap. Additionally, fostering partnerships between educational institutions, government agencies, and private sector can enhance the reach and impact of these initiatives. Future researchers should focus on evaluating the effectiveness of current intervention and exploring innovative strategies to support students in overcoming these barriers. Longitudinal studies could provide valuable insights into the sustained impact of these interventions over time. Furthermore, exploring the role of emerging technologies and their potential to democratize access to education is an important avenue for future inquiry. I would like to express my utmost gratitude to my research group mates, Sandra Lane Chu and Jeneline Tumamak, for their dedication and collaboration throughout this project. Your hard work and insights have been invaluable. I am also deeply grateful to our research professor, Mr. Marco Medoranda, for his guidance and support. His expertise and encouragement have been instrumental in the success of this research. Thank you very much for your attention.